Another simple move, this is how it looks, and this is how you do it. You start off with the Zippo sideways like this, with the hinge on the bottom, so it opens up like so. You want to pinch the lid with your thumb and pointer finger. Okay, now you want to keep this extended like this, okay, not real close to you, like this. You want to have it as extended as possible. You want to flick your wrist to open it. That's the first step. The next step is to bring it in close to your hand, okay, by simply just bending your fingers. Once it's close to your hand, take your ring finger and just almost as if you're making a fist, it's going to gently come down right on that wheel. Spark it to light your Zippo, and then you just have to close it by simply flicking upwards. And that's the move. Real simple.